me, Mrs. Morrison. I thought since we couldn't be together in the Rainbow Room, we could be together here. So maybe every day you could check in with me and I'll read you a story, or maybe we could do an activity and then you can share it with your grown-ups. Put on your thinking cap, get ready to work.
3, 2.
Today's story lab is going to be a learning facts story lab. So the whole reason that we're listening, when we're listening to Mrs. Morrison read the story, is to think of something new that we've heard. This is a nonfiction book that we're going to listen to. And remember, we've talked about when we listen to nonfiction books, usually they're not pretend. Well, they're always not pretend, but they have real photographs and some interesting scientific pictures that might help us learn about whatever we're reading. So we're going to think the whole time we're listening, what's new? What did I learn today? And then when you're all done, maybe you can draw a picture of the new thing that you learned. If you don't have someone that you can talk to, which hopefully you do because you're a little child, you should have someone home with you. But you can always draw a picture, which is a fun and different thing to do. So let's get started. So today we're going to be reading this book. It's a nonfiction book called Light Makes a Rainbow. And I'm going to show you the front cover of the book. And I'm going to show you the back cover of the book. And the back cover has some words. And it says, Light Makes a Rainbow, which is the same as the title. And then in this box it says, light is very important. It is a kind of energy. It helps us see. Sometimes light makes a rainbow of different colors. Oh, and there's a rainbow like our rainbow room. We're going to get to see how that happens. So let's open it up. And I can see that the person who discovered all of these facts and put them together and took the pictures for us is called Sharon Cohn. So this book, even though it's a nonfiction book, still has someone who was the author that did all of the research and put this book together so that we could learn. Light makes a rainbow. Oh, this is an important fact about our nonfiction books. Nonfiction books have something in them called a table of contents, and it's where it tells you each page what you're going to find. So I can see that on page 4, I'm going to find out about making a rainbow. On page 8, I'm going to find out, what is light? Every page has a different topic, so we're going to be able to read about them. Here we are on page 4, making a rainbow. You see rain, you see the sun, we use our eyes. You know what that means. You see a rainbow. We're very lucky and careful lookers. A rainbow happens when light goes through water drops. The drops bend the light, and when the light bends, it splits into colors. And then they gave us a very cool picture that shows us a water droplet and sunlight shining through the water droplet, the sunlight getting bent, and the water droplet helps us to see a rainbow of colors. Oh, what is light? Light is a kind of energy. It moves very fast. Scientists think light moves faster than all other things. Energy is the ability to do work or be active. Oh, here's a lamp. A lamp uses some energy. I wonder what kind of energy a lamp uses. Ask your grown-up. Maybe you can talk about that. Oh, stars have a lot of energy. They're very hot. Here's a flashlight. All of the things on these pages give off light. Oh, here's the sun. The energy of light is in small parts. The parts move together in waves. The waves are called light waves. Oh, light waves move like ripples on a pond. So if you've ever seen rain in a puddle and you can see the drops hit the puddle and the water moves on the ground, that's the same way that light moves. We just can't see it move that way. Light from the sun holds all the colors mixed together. Wow. Sunlight looks white, but it actually has all the colors. Each color has its own wavelength. A wavelength is how wide the wave is. Oh, violet has the shortest wavelength. Violet's like purple. Red has the longest wavelength. When I'm looking at these diagrams, and it looks like there are a lot more bumps. Ooh, in between the bumps, a lot shorter space for violet and a wider space for red. Drops of water can bend the waves of light. When they do, the color waves line up. Oh, I can look at this droplet and see some beautiful colors. The colors line up from the longest wave to the shortest. They always line up in the same order. Oh, look, I see something that makes me think of our classroom. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Just like the rainbow room. Rainbow colors. Oh, funny thing. Think of a man named Roy G. Biv. The letters of his name stand for the colors. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Oh, look at those colored pencils. The colors come out when sun shines through the rain. They make a pretty rainbow. I wonder if while we're home we'll get to see any rainbows. I got to see some today. Oh, here's something you could do with your grown-ups. Let's do science. What happens when light goes through water? Try this and see. Oh, here are the things you need. Paper and pencil and a spray bottle. And then it says what to do. You fill the spray bottle with water, number 1. Number 2, go outside on a sunny day with your grown-up. Number 3, hold your spray bottle in front of you and quickly spray water into the air a few times. What do you see? Draw what you observed on a sheet of paper. That should be so easy for you because I know you're a great artist. I'm going to turn the page. Oh, another great feature of this nonfiction book is a glossary. Remember, we've talked about this. We said a glossary is where we get to read some tricky words that we may have heard in this book. And this might help you come up with what you've learned. So the words at the back are energy, light waves, scientists, and wavelength. So energy, they say in this glossary, is usable power that comes from heat, electricity, or light. A light wave is the way that light flows in an up and down motion. Scientists are the people who study science. Wavelength is the distance between the tops of two waves. And then at the back of this book, it's giving us an index. So if we forget and think, where did I see that word energy? Up here it says energy, and then it tells me 8, 10. So I would turn back to those pages. Let's see. On page 8 and 10. Oh, here's 8. Yep, it says the word energy. I can read about it there. Let's see what it says on page 10. Oh, a little bit more, a little information about energy here. Oop, the next item says light. I can look for it in my book. Rain, rainbow, Roy G. Biv, scientists, and sun. You can look those up if you wanted to revisit them in your book. Then it gives you your turn. Oh, I wonder if you can make this at home. It says spinning colors. Cut a circle out of paper. Draw lines to make 6 sections, just almost like our choice wheel at school. Color in the sections to match the picture above. So you would have a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple sections. Then you can hold a pencil underneath and spin it and find out what you see. This was a really good book. I hope I can try that out. The end. Hey, thank you for stopping by. It was great to spend this time with you. So check back because I'll post new things as I can because I have some real thinkers sometimes. In the middle of the night, you never know when I'm going to put up a new video. So please rewatch and have a great time. I'll miss you all. See you soon when we get back to school. See ya.